explorers, Kita the Explorer here. And as you know on my channel, I do travel and some photography. And today we're going to focus on photography. As you can see, I have a box from Amazon that I purchased a drone. I will tell you more about it once I get into it. So stay tuned as we will unbox this drone. So let's get into it. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos are released on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And on my channel, I talk about all things travel and some photography. Now let's get into this video. Okay, let's get to opening this box. So I really wanted the, obviously the leader in drones is the DJI, and I really wanted a DJI Mavic Mini, and I decided to look on Amazon on Prime Day in June. And I was on Amazon looking at drones, and the DJI Mavic Mini at that time did not have a follow me mode. And since I do a lot of solo travel, as you know, I need something with a follow me mode, and that Mavic Mini did not have one. So I decided to get the Deerc drone. So I got the Deerc DE22 drone, and we're going to unbox it and talk a little bit about the specifications. So let's open this up. Wonderful packaging. Actually, I'm quite surprised Amazon has all this packaging in here. I guess because it's electronics. Because you know, they usually will send you like a box with it half empty. So here's the box that was inside the box. This is the actual Deerc DE22 box. Let's open it up. So I actually I actually had bought a drone years ago. And then when I got it, I got completely nervous, so I returned it. It was just a lot going on, and then I had to learn how to fly it and learn all these things about it. So I was like, no, not today. So inside this box is a bag, really packaged here. And inside the bag is a little kit. This is a really cute carrying case, really cute. So let's unzip it. Here's what it's like inside so far. And so in this little pocket here, there is, oh my gosh, there's actual instruction manual, like paper printed instruction manual. It's rare to see these inside stuff these days. Usually they're like, go online. Let's see what else is in this little pocket. These are the blades for the drone. And this is a cord here. Looks like a charging port, or at least a USB cord. Now let's open this side. We have the actual drone here. It already has some blades attached. Here is the remote control portion or piece of it. What is this? Yes, this is the battery. So all that is inside of here. So let's go over the specifications of this drone. I have to open up my phone so I can give you all the specs. So here is the specifications for this Deerc DE22 drone model. It has a 2-axis gimbal and EIS, and this helps reduce blurring, provides better image stability, and it has the ability to create 4K and 30 FPS videos. So that is awesome to keep things stable, because I know since I am not an expert at flying a drone, I will need help. It also has a 4K UHD camera, 5x zoom. It has a built-in Sony image sensor, so you're gonna get more clarity in the photos and deep contrast. It has a nice design. It comes with 2 intelligent batteries, and it supports up to 52 minutes flight time. And also it's foldable, and it fits right into a lovely carry case. And so it makes it nice for a traveler to have a carry case like this. It's easy and safe to fly with functions of altitude hold, 1-key start, emergency stop, and it's more accessible to users. It has the GPS positioning and auto return function. And it says it's intelligent and fun. It has a follow me feature, which I said I really wanted. So you can free your hands and take complex shots. It has waypoints and circle fly to let the drone automatically fly with a customized route and make aerial photography easier than ever. Also, it has dimensions of 6.9 by 4.1 by 3.15 inches, and it weighs about 20.6 ounces or 556 grams. And it flies for a maximum of 28 minutes per battery, and it takes about 4.5 hours to charge it. And it says its height, max height is 4,921 feet. So, sorry I had to read off my phone, but I can't remember all those specifications that you have there. Oh, let me tell you about the price. So I got this on Amazon Prime Day. So I actually spent $349 for it as it was on sale. The original price of the drone is $449. And actually they currently have a sale on it for $400. So yeah, so I will leave the link down to this drone in the description box from Amazon, so you can go and purchase it yourself if you're interested after seeing this unboxing. So let me get this set up. I will charge it for 4.5 hours, and then we'll go out and actually do a test. So this is my first attempt. I went outside, I was doing the calibration and all that jazz to set it up, and then all of a sudden you hear thunder boom in the background. So I had to go in because you can't fly it in the rain. It is not waterproof. So after it stormed and poured down rain, I went back out for attempt 2. So now I'm going back through the whole calibration setup, and I'm actually going to fly it, and things go rogue. Yes, definitely a huge failure. So when you get a drone, whatever model you get, read the whole instruction manual before you get started. I'm usually a person who reads step by step because I can't remember every single step as I go. And so I was doing that, and then I didn't have the next step after getting the drone taken off. Also, the controller, which I will insert a clip, the controller has different functionality than expected. And so you can set it up, at least on this model, to use it in a way where you would actually mentally think to use it. So for example, on the right controller, I would think that that will be the one to ascend, to go up and down, but it's not. It goes forward and backward. And so I ended up putting notes on the controller so I could remember how to properly use it. But like I said, you can transfer it to go that way, but you have to do it every single time you turn on the controller. Also to note, if you're in the United States and you purchase a drone, you have to register the drone with the FAA, and I will leave that link down below in the description box. It is $5 per drone to have it registered, and you need your serial number to register the drone. And you must do that in order to comply with regulations. Also, there is an app called Before You Fly, which is by the FAA, which will tell you which areas in your location in the United States are eligible for you to fly your drone. So there are places where drone flying is completely restricted, or it could be controlled airspace. So in Atlanta, there are a lot of controlled airspace areas because of the multiple airports in Atlanta. So private and commercial airports, as well as the Air Force Base. So definitely keep that in mind. If you're flying in the United States, you have to have your drone registered, as well as make sure you're in an appropriate area to fly your drone. And again, I'll put that information down in the description box. But I have gotten the drone set up. I'm just in my backyard and want to do just a quick test. And since I told you I did not fully read the instructions, I'm going step by step, as well as the controller is opposite than what I think it should be. There is a complete failure that goes on here. So I get it taken off, and then I fly it into the tree right next to my house. But it was a terrible location. So as you can see, I do have it set up here. But it was a terrible location. When it flew into the tree, I could not retrieve it back. I had to actually call one of my friends, and she had to bring her husband to go down and retrieve it for me. So definitely be careful when flying for your first time. So let's look at this failure here. So I have started the engine of the drone. As you can see, it just flew into me and it sliced up my thighs, my skin on my thighs. So definitely be careful because it will cut you up, and I have since repaired that. But the drone has now flown into the tree, and this is where the drone took off from, and that is the tree over there with a hole in it, and that's where it landed. Welcome to the third and final attempt of this video. I'm in one of my rooms in my house, which is not like the best room because it needs painting. It's the dog's room. It stays dirty in there. So I decided to do the test in there, but I have thoroughly read through the instruction manual, and I decided to do inside just in case it decides to go rogue again. I didn't want to go rogue on someone else's property. So I have read through the instruction manual, and all I'm going to do is ascend and descend in this room. And you'll notice that I only recorded the ascend because my camera did fall over recording the descend portion. I also wanted to note, because I know some people are petty and would want to know, why didn't I record my friend's husband retrieving the drone from the tree? Because one, I was stressed out and I did not have time for that. And two, that would have just been rude. Like, he came all the way to retrieve it. Why should I be recording it? No. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you have that subscribe button hit as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified when my videos come out and updates about the drone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to leave any questions down below and share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.